Good morning. Okay, so I had a thought, and my thought was, well, first of all, let me start with, when I went to Italy, I gained about 6 to 8 pounds of Italian goodness because I did what everybody told me to do, and I ate my way through Italy, and it was like I'd never seen bread before, like Jamie the Hutt. Rah, rah, rah. Anyway, nonetheless, there's a little bit more of me to love for a while, and speaking of that, I decided to go on a run this morning, and when I woke up, I did not want to get out of bed. I was so stubborn. I laid there for a good 20 minutes, and then I just made myself do it. And that's my message for you today. If there's something that you know you need to do, but you don't want to do it, but you know you need to, you better just fight that feeling of stubbornness and get your butt up and do it, because I promise you, you'll be happy you did. So now I have a little bit less muffin top to go around. Have a wonderful Monday, and I will talk to you soon. Mwah.